Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Brandon and I'm back again with another video. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the quality should be way better because I bought a new camera. Bought a Canon Rebel EOS T5i. Pretty dope. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys my top 5 things that I love about this car. But first, we're gonna get a car wash because my shit is so dirty. It is so dirty. Here we are at this hand car wash, and hopefully, it comes out looking really good.
It's crazy.
Alright guys, so also, the reason why I actually go to hand washes because just trying to find some good light around here. Hold on, bear with me. There we go. Reason I actually go to hand washes is just because I don't like, you know, going to like those automated car washes where everybody goes through like with their Jeeps and their Jeep Wranglers or whatever and just like dirties up like the wash materials that they use to like wash the car, like the actual brushes. So I just figure like if I go to hand washers, gives the car a little bit cleaner and less scratches on the actual paint.
You want to take pictures of me? Everything you got to about the car, you can take pictures of me. This car is brand new, just painted.
All right, we'll take pictures of you.
It's a beautiful vehicle. Lettering just done.
The lettering just done? All right, hold on. That was funny.
Yeah, I definitely thought they were about to give us a hard time.
Yeah, no, they're gonna be like, yeah, like guys, none of that here. I'd have been like, all right, well.
I was like, when they pulled up, I was like, yeah, they're not even ready.
I know. I was literally thinking, like, I want to get a revving clip, but I'll wait till I leave just so it doesn't happen. That's so funny. All right, guys. So, as you saw, that was pretty fun. The cops stopped by and said what's up. That was really cool. That was just a little photo shoot that I was doing for Urban Vinyl, the rap company that did the car that you guys saw. So if you guys didn't see that video, definitely check out the last video. So let's get into my top 5 things that I love about this car. All right, so when I was making this list, I actually wanted to just really make sure that I did my due diligence and drove my car around and made sure like what I'm saying is something or stuff that I really do like about the car. So that being said, it's funny because I got people looking at me. They see me vlogging. All right, so starting with number 1, I really love the interior. The interior of this car is actually the main reason I bought the car. So yes, I wanted a 435i. I was looking for something rear wheel drive, but I settled for the X-Drive just because of, snow and everything like that. But the red interior was an absolute must. Like, I saw so many other ones that, good mileage. Oh, this one came on bolt-ons, but it didn't have the red interior. So long story short, when I was looking for this car, if it didn't have red interior, I wasn't touching it. I also was looking for the in-package too, but more so the red interior. I might have settled with something that wasn't in-package, but the in-package was just a bonus. Point is, red interior is way better than any other interior that BMW has ever made. Point blank, period. Anyway, another thing that I like about this car is the vents. Actually, my sister's boyfriend pointed it out, so shout out to him, because when we were driving the car, when I first got it, maybe like a week or so in, I was like, oh, like, it's kind of cold. He's like, oh, like, what do these buttons do? And then he pushed it, and like vents literally started shooting. I'm sorry, like the vents started shooting like heat to the back of your neck. So it's really dope. It's like on the back. I'm gonna give you guys a nice little cinematic view, but it's literally right here. So whenever it's cold, got the top down because I have a convertible. Boom, push it, blows heat in the back of your neck. It's literally genius. One thing I do wish that it blew cool air, because having convertible is really cool, but when it's really hot outside, no matter what, it's hot. So if you drop the top in a convertible, bro, the sun is just beaming on your neck. So you 100% want something cold. So BMW, for the future, please give us like, some cold vents too. Like, let us switch it up. Not only can it do hot, let's make it do both, hot and cold. Moving on to number 2. All right, so the second favorite thing I love about this car is the speedometer. And I'm not talking about, actually, you know what? I'm sorry. The heads-up display speedometer. It is so lovely to have. No bruh. I'm telling you, like in every car I get in, I'm always like, oh shoot, like I don't see my speed on the window. Like I'm telling you, I'm now that much bougie. Like it is literally the single best feature that you can have in your car. So if you guys are trying to get a BMW, make sure it has heads-up display. It is so convenient because not only does it tell you your speed, it tells you like the speed that you're driving through. So like, let's say you're driving through like a 35 zone, it literally tells you. There's very, very, very few times where it's gotten the speed wrong. And honestly, when it's been wrong, it hasn't even been wrong. It just switches a little bit later than when the sign would appear. But honestly, I 100% recommend it. The speedometer on the window, it's just perfect. Moving on to part two, if that makes sense. Another thing I like is the gauges. I'm gonna show you guys another cinematic view of that one. But the gauges on the car, like I literally programmed it so like I press one button and then boom, it shows me like my horsepower, it shows me the torque. It's just a cool feature to have, you know, like I like doing pulls and stuff like that. I like seeing like how much horsepower the car has. It's just cool, like you know, cool to have. Let's just go with that. All right, moving on to my third favorite thing that I love about this car, and is also another reason why I really bought the car, because you know, if you guys have been watching me for a little bit, I did have the N54, which is like the actual twin turbo BMW, which is made from 08 to 2010. If you guys have that car or had that car, definitely check out my videos and see, you know, what I did to it, because it looked really, really dope. However, the reason I bought this 435 as well is because it has the N55 platform. From what I'm getting, yo, I actually do like this this platform a little bit better than N54. It's a little bit less problems, just because all the problems have already been solved, and it still makes power very, very, very easily. Very, very, very easily. Not as much power as the 340i, but I'm telling you, it'll still give it a run for its money, because with the power that it has, it comes with like 300 horsepower stock, as long as like, you know, that you're in sport mode. It doesn't feel like 300, but you know, as soon as you start putting like the downpipe on, the you know, exhaust, or what do you call it, charge pipe, or intake, your power just starts going like that. Like literally, it just starts hitting. And as long as you have the tune, like the car runs fine. It does some really hard pulls. Honestly, like I love just doing highway pulls. Like that's just like my favorite thing to do. I don't even really race. Like I'll just hop on the exit and just kind of gun it. And it can definitely pick up speed, make you cut your seatbelt a little bit. So I like doing a couple pulls when I have like some passengers in the car. It's just a fun thing to do. So yeah, definitely easy to tune. Right now, my tune, I'm on MHD. On MHD Stage 2 Plus. No, just regular Stage 2, I'm sorry. If you want to go Stage 2 Plus, you need the intercooler, and I don't have an intercooler. But other than that, I fully recommend buying this car if you guys are like turboing and tuning and stuff like that. It's just easy car. You just slap on your bolt-ons and you're ready to go. Slap on your bolt-ons, tune, boom. Car's a rocket, easily. But moving on to my fourth favorite reason, or fourth favorite love of this car, however you want to phrase it, was the exhaust pipes, or the exhaust tips that I put on the car. I'll show you guys a picture of that, or a video of that. They literally look really nice. They like are they're carbon, and they have like the burnt tip. Makes the car look way, 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 way better in the rear, you know. It doesn't necessarily change the sound, but I do like the look of it, just because I also have a quad tip now. So before, when you first get the 435, it's just the 2 single pipes. So I did like a new diffuser, and it's a quad diffuser, so I'm able to put like 2 pipes in each slot. So it looks really, really dope. I get a couple compliments on the car. It's just one of those things that are just subtle, that you don't really notice, but it just makes the car look a lot better overall. Once again, that's my opinion. But yes, the quad tip exhaust is just something that I couldn't do without. And last but not least, the main reason, the 5th reason why I love my BMW 435 is not because anything that's come on the car originally. It's because of that last video. If you guys saw the last video, you know what I'm talking about. The wrap by Urban Vinyl Wrap. It literally is so dope. I'm telling you, like literally it breaks necks. You guys, like, I'm just chilling here in the parking lot. It's actually like, where am I at? I don't even know where I'm at, but maybe like a Blinds to Go or Bloomingdale's, something like that, parking lot. And literally cars are just driving by me, and every time they see me recording and they start laughing, or they just staring at the car, like just in general, because it makes the car like pop so much. I went with the half wrap, and I didn't want to do a full wrap because I do like the black, because at first I was gonna just do like a full black car, you know, kind of stealth, but then I figured everybody does that, so I might as well, you know, wrap the car in half and just do half black, half red urban camo. it's so dope. And honestly, every time I look at the car, especially today since I got a car wash, it looks so beautiful. Like, no cap, it is by far the best modification I can ever done, or have ever done to this car. Like, it is so amazing. And I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of that too, just because why not? You know. So yeah, the wrap is dope. I'm going to do a little walk around of the car with the wrap on it. And I'm also gonna, you know, input some pictures too, just so you guys can like see how fresh it is, because it literally is so dope. I can't stress it enough. It breaks necks, and my car is stock height, which I hate. I'm gonna be dropping it soon, but like the wrap definitely changes it up. It makes me feel like I'm driving like, you know, an enthusiast car. It kind of gives me a reason to get in the car every day and be like, oh, this car is so dope. Along with the horsepower and all the other stuff I mentioned before. But that wraps up this video, guys. It honestly was a quick video for me. I just wanted to put something out there for the channel, 435i related, because I feel like I kind of been slacking. But don't worry, guys. Coming this new year, got a new camera. I'm gonna be doing more new videos for you. I'm gonna try going back to the weekly things, but you know, I'm not on quarantine anymore, so it's a little bit harder to do. But if you guys like this video, if you guys have a 435xi, you know, definitely follow me on the gram at VorgeBrandon. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I got some more videos coming, as I just said. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.